Hey, Kai here. Today we make Python actually talk to us. So far our programs just ran and ended, but now we will read what a user types, format a clean reply, and build a tiny interactive program. This is the moment code starts feeling alive, so let's get into it. Quick definitions before we start. Input just means data coming into the program, usually whatever the user types. Output is anything the program shows back on the screen. A string is plain text wrapped in quotes, and a prompt is the little question your program displays, so the user knows what to type. That is all the vocabulary we need. Think of a doorbell. You press it, then you stand there waiting until someone answers. The input function works the same way. Your program stops, waits patiently, and the moment the user presses enter, it hands you whatever they typed. In short, input pauses your program until the user answers. Here is the simplest version. We put our question inside the parentheses, so the user sees it as a prompt. Whatever they type gets stored in the variable called name. Then print sends it right back out with a greeting. 2 lines, and your program is already having a conversation. Here's the trick that trips up every beginner. Input always hands you text, even when the user types a number. So if they type 25, you get the characters 2 and 5, not the number. Try to add 5 to that, and Python crashes. Wrap it in the int function to convert text into a real number first. In short, input gives you a string, and you must convert it before doing math. Picture it as a little pipeline. The user's keystrokes arrive as text on the left. The int function in the middle is the converter, like a currency exchange booth. Out the right side comes a genuine number you can add, subtract, and compare. For decimal numbers, you would use float instead of int. Same idea. Now the output side. An F string is like a fill-in-the-blank letter. You write the sentence once and drop your variables into the blanks using curly braces. Just put the letter F right before the opening quote. And notice that little :2f at the end. That rounds a decimal to 2 places, perfect for prices. Honestly, F strings are the only formatting style I use day to day. Print has 2 small dials worth knowing. The sep option controls what goes between the items you print, a space by default, but you can make it a dash or anything else. The end option controls what happens after printing, normally a jump to a new line, but you can keep the cursor on the same line instead. In short, sep is the glue between items, and end is what comes after. Let's put it all together in 4 lines. We ask for a name, ask for a birth year, and convert it to a number right away, do 1 subtraction, and reply with a friendly F string. Notice the pattern: read, convert, compute, print. Almost every interactive program you ever write follows that same rhythm. Now the traps. First, multiplying text by 3 does not triple the number. It repeats the text, so 5 becomes 555. Second, if you convert with int but the user types hello, the program crashes with a value error. Third, forget the F before the quote, and Python prints your curly braces literally. I once shipped a survey script that multiplied string input instead of numbers. Friday deploy. Never again. You might wonder why tutorials show 3 different formatting styles. F strings are the modern winner. Readable and short. The only downside is they need Python 3.6 or newer, which everything runs today. The format method works everywhere, but is wordier. The percent style is a leftover from old Python. You'll see in legacy code, but should not write it fresh. In short, just use F strings. One alternative worth knowing about. Instead of pausing to ask questions, programs can receive values up front as command line arguments, like handing a waiter your whole order at once instead of a back and forth chat. Arguments are great for automation because nothing waits for a human, but they are less friendly and need extra setup. For learning and for anything a person uses directly, input is the right tool. Quick recap. Input pauses your program and always hands back text, so convert with int or float before doing math. F strings are your go-to for clean output, and print sep and end options give you fine control. Remember the rhythm. Read, convert, compute, print. Practice it with a tiny tip calculator tonight. It uses every piece from today. Keep shipping. See you tomorrow.